Being kind to others is becoming mainstream. Ellen started it in the culture. Hashtags and selfies showcase small acts of kindness witnessed in public. But kindness is not new, it's actually pretty old. Goethe said, "Kindness is the golden chain by which society is bound together." And one of my favourites, by Ralph Waldo Emerson, "You cannot do kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late." Couldn't find any old quotes from women, probably because they were not allowed to speak or write. But rudeness has become rampant. People are beginning to take their online antisocial behaviour offline. I once heard someone say, "I saw a Facebook fight in person." If you're anything like me, you may have said spiteful things to people. Maybe you snapped at a loved one, or you were quick to dump on someone in the comments section, or you were passive-aggressive with a colleague for wearing Crocs. But you have to wonder, what if you were less judgy of other people and instead used that energy to be more kind and compassionate? Put simply, what if you were less bitchy? So how can you stop being mean and bitchy? You start by being kinder to yourself and loving yourself, because you can't give what you don't have. Using this coffee as a metaphor, shout out to Lawrence, thank you for encouraging me to make another coffee video. The only contents I can pour out of this flask, right, let me give you a nice close-up. Right? Only coffee will come out of here. It's good. See, I can't pour mint tea, a matcha latte out, and I can't even pour a gin and tonic out of this flask.
Gin and tonic would be really nice.
The only thing you can pour out of this flask are the contents in this flask. If you are filled with self-loathing, self-hate, self-criticism, constantly judging yourself, the only thing you can give and pour out is hate and hurt and pain and bitchiness. So your proverbial flask, that means your thinking and how you're feeling inside, is full of hate and hurt and pain. Hurting for what's been said and done to you, or hurting about not having fulfilled your potential and certain things you should have said and should have done, and the way you haven't filled up to your expectations of yourself.
It's complicated.
So essentially it's defensiveness or deep shame for how you truly feel about yourself, but you're completely unconscious of it. So the solution to stop being bitchy is to start being kinder to yourself. Start loving yourself.
I don't mean narcissism.
I mean compassionate love and kindness towards yourself. The more you can fill your flask with love and kindness and compassion towards yourself, you replace the contents of your flask with love, kindness and compassion. And the more you fill your flask, the more you can give that love, kindness and compassion to others. Now, one area that I know some of you keep beating yourselves up about, there are things you know you need to do that can help improve your life and help improve your situation, help you become more of the version you want to be, but you're not doing it. You're beating yourself up. The more you beat yourself up, you're filling that flask with hate. Watch this video next if you want to get stuff done fast. That takes less effort, not more. Because the more you get stuff done in your life, the more room you have to love yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.